What's up, everybody? It is Tuesday, October the 2nd, 2019. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I've been working on some things this morning, and it is now 10 o'clock, so I guess it's time to kick it in, see what we can do around here. I'm a little tired today, not gonna lie. And I got a lot of stuff that I want to accomplish, so I don't know how much time I'll spend with it. Maybe a few minutes, maybe an hour. I don't plan on giving it more than an hour, because any more than that, and I think I'm going to be just a little tired today. So I might just get worn out a little early. So let's go ahead and check this puppy out. Well, we had that strong move to the downside that continued. It's just been going down. Let's look at the daily chart. Wow, I bet you that baby's rolled down now. Woo, and it rolled down with the thunder. I really thought we might make it just a little bit higher here, but nope. It's like, forget about it. We're pulling down. Wow, that's a big drop too, y'all. Okay. Yep. A little ahead of myself. Just so strong market is down. Against the grain. It's just early. I'm tired. I already know this. I already know that I've fought this strong move down several times, but I see the reasons for this to push up from here. Okay, I'm going for this one. Just watching the way this is really rolling up, and it can roll down. I like the way this is at the bottom Bollinger Band. I like the way this is higher. Okay. What I'd love to see is for this to come all the way up here, but I don't know that that's going to happen, so I'm just going to keep an eye on it. Woo. I'm watching it pull back. I pulled off of it just enough time to let me get out. I think we may see this come down a little bit further. I think I am trying to fight the direction here. Right behind this spot. Yep. Ooh. There we go. These are starting to get weak. They look strong to the upside, but they're starting to roll over. I'd love another one right here. And then we're done for the day, y'all. Okay. Wow. That's crazy. It went fast, too. Alright, I'm exiting here. Little tiny reversal bar, creating a little bit of a floor. My 610 had the little tiny reversal bar. We're struggling to get down here, so I see the reasons for a decent pop back. I'm not going to fight this. Let's see how we did. Ugh, that's a lot more trades than I would normally take. I know my headspace wasn't completely there. Alright, let's check this out. I was 3 1/4 down, so I had 2 losers in a row, which I had one more, which normally would have told me it's time to get out of this. But I took this one more, then one more loss, right? Well, not time to get out of this, but that it was worth the wait. All right, guys. So that would make 7 trades, 3 losses, 1, 2, 3, 4 wins, 22.75. Done for the day. So I did catch myself trying to fight this to the upside. And I almost quit after these two. Be like, Lindsay, you're just not thinking straight. Let me put it on here because it'll be easier for us to see. I'll probably display it on the 610 when that time comes. Is this it right here? My math is terrible, y'all. All right. Then the next one was plus 4.5. And the last one was plus 5.75. So that would be 7 trades, 3 losses, 4 wins, plus 22.75 points. We're going to make this bigger. I'm actually probably going to go back before I do those other ones and make them bigger as well. Look at that. Yep, it was time to exit. I mean, these I let hit it. I didn't have any areas of support or resistance on there. While I'm doing all of this homework, or while I'm doing all this work on the back end, if someone knows how to keep your lines on different workspaces, that would be wonderful. But yeah, so 37 minutes, 22.75 It was a rough start, y'all. My mind was in definitely a bunch of other places. I had a struggle with my kids this morning. I had a meeting that had a lot of information thrown at me that kind of made my brain hurt. I have lots of things I want to accomplish on a deadline that I feel like I'm not quite reaching. I mean, trading while you got things on your mind is definitely possible. I think you have to be, not that I'm some mental guru, y'all, it's probably a mess up here that you wouldn't even believe, but I put things in order as I need to. I take a lot of time for myself to breathe, relax, contemplate, think about things that are going on, think about, give every situation its time to work through it or move it aside. Maybe it's not even part of my thought process anymore at some point. So it's kind of like cigarettes. Today, day 60. I feel like I have something else I'm supposed to do today, but I think I'm just going to go work out because I need to just expel some of this stuff. Anyways, guys, I love y'all. Thank you for being here. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.